Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Mr. Riddle. Today we're reading the story, The Rainy Day Alphabet Book. I know it's not raining outside today, but this is a great book for us when we're stuck inside. It has lots of activity suggestions that you could do at home with your brother and sister or by yourself. It's written by Jackie Postner and Sarah Weiner, illustrated by Laura Ferraro. Rainy Day Alphabet Book. On rainy days, or days we're stuck inside, we eat apples and blow bubbles. That'd be fun to do. We color cats and we dance. Remember, we've talked about drawing pictures. We eat eggs and feed our fish. We play guitar and hide. Have you played hide and seek? We eat ice cream and play jacks. We've talked about the game of jacks. You bounce the ball, pick up the jacks, but you have to catch the ball again. We kiss our kitten and lie in a lap. You could lay down right there with Mom and Dad. We make a mess and we nibble nuts. Oh my gosh, it looks like they're having fun. You crack open and eat the little nuts, the meat that's inside. We eat oranges and play in puddles. We rest on a quilt and read rhymes. We sing songs and touch our toes. We use umbrellas and visit the violets. A violet is a flower. It's usually a purple or white flower. We watch the weather and make X's and O's. So watching out the window. X's and O's, that's for the game tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. That's a fun game to play inside. We play with yo-yos and zip up our zippers. Looks like they're going to have a camp out. The end. Rainy Day Alphabet Book. Let's go back through real quickly. Each letter of the alphabet has something fun to do on a rainy day or a day you're stuck inside. A is for apples, eating apples. B for blowing bubbles. That's fun to do. C is for coloring cats, or any picture you want to color. D for dancing. E for eating eggs. Eggs are healthy food. F for feeding fish. G for playing guitar. And H is for hiding. Play hide and seek. Remember, don't make any noise. They'll find you. Eating ice cream for I. Ice cream. J is for jacks. K, kiss our kitten. Give your kitty cat some extra love. L for laps. You can lie in a lap. Right there where Mom and Dad's watching TV, you could lie down right beside them. They'd like that. M for a mess. Be careful. Don't make too big of a mess. N for nuts. Crack them open and get the meat inside. O for oranges. That's yummy. P for puddles. To play outside in the puddles. Notice they have their rain jackets and boots, so they're not getting all yucky and messy. Remember to stop at the door and take your muddy boots off so you don't get it all in the house. Mom and Dad won't like that. Q for quilts. You might have a nice softy little blanket or quilt to lay down with. R for reading rhymes. Rhymes are words that sound the same. S, sing songs. I bet you know some songs. T for touch our toes. You do some stretching, some exercising. U for umbrellas. V for violet. Remember, you said that's a flower. They're usually purple because that's the word. The word violet means purple. W is watch. You watch out the window. Watch the weather or the animals outside. And X is playing tic-tac-toe. You make X's and O's. Y is for yo-yos. It's a fun hobby. And Z, zippers. Maybe if mom and dad says it's okay, you can get your sleeping bag out and maybe camp out in the living room. That'd be fun. Rainy day alphabet book. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.